About this item, Fast Charge and Sync Mfi-Certified iPhone charging connector ensures fast, stable and safe charging, and perfectly solves the heating problem. Also, they synchronize files at the fastest speed. They are faster than most standard cables. Superior durability. These iPhone charging cords are charge safe and extremely durable, tested 20,000 plus bending life. Premium nylon braided cables guarantee the durability and flexibility of the iPhone charging cables. Perfect length. Extra long 10 feet iPhone charger cords make charging more convenient, without sticking to the wall socket, and can be easily charged in different occasions such as home, travel, office, etc. Universal compatibility. Compatible with the iPhone 14, 13 Pro Max / 13 Pro / 13 / 13 Mini / 12 Pro Max / 12 Pro / 12 / 12 Mini / 11 / XS / XS Max / XR / X / 8 Plus / 8 / 7 Plus / 7 / SIXS Plus / SIXS / 6 Plus / 6 / 5 / 5C / 5 / iPad Pro / iPad Air / Air 2 / iPad Mini / Mini 2 / Mini 4 / iPad 4th General lifetime warranty. Ximytec provide worry-free lifetime warranty, professional technical support and patient customer service. If you have any questions, we will resolve your issue within 24 hours. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item, Fast Charge and Sync Mfi-Certified iPhone charging connector.